Okay, so what is up everyone, this is Karan here. Welcome back to Tech Karan YouTube channel. You already saw the latest new update of a system launcher for all of the devices of the Xiaomi devices running MIUI 12. In my case, I'm using Redmi Note 8 here, where we have installed the MIUI 12 update, the normal India stable. And let me show you this default settings, home screen, app drawer. These are the default settings, the default launcher which I get here by default. As you can see, app vault, and if I go to the app drawer option, click on OK. Just go back and let me show you some app drawer options which I get here, and after that I will show you that some features which you got right now with this latest update here: app notifications, background, scroll bar, and some things like that. Let me show you some things, some new changes which you get here. Other things are same here. You just need to install a APK file. Well, I will put a link in the description for both of those APK files which you require to download, and maybe one file will work for you, maybe both of the files need to be installed. It's up to you, but I will provide you both of the files link in the description. Let me show you that if I go to the get apps option and go to me option here, I didn't got this system launcher update in the get app section. Some of the guys already got this update here, but in my case I didn't got this update. I tried checking in the get apps and other things, but I didn't got this update. Maybe I don't know why, but yes, I didn't got it. So that's it. I'll provide you the link for those APK files in the description. These are the APK files which I was looking for. First one is the stable version, second one is the alpha version. Let me try by installing alpha version once. If something will work for you, it's just great. Simply install this, and if you use the India stable, global stable, you'll be able to install it directly. If you're using China ROMs, then you need to install the package installer. I will try to provide a link in the description. So if I install the alpha update and after that install the stable update, as you can see, it's not installing. So we just install the alpha update once, and let me show you some features. If I get an alpha stable, we've just installed it, and we have the app drawer option, and just move on to these home screen settings by going into settings and home screen. Let me try some things. Here we have some new changes like home screen, app drawer, and as you can see, the UI is changed here. But the UI which I shown you at the starting of this video, it's not like that. Why so? Because maybe in my case it's not installed properly. So let me install that stable version and uninstall this. How to uninstall this? This is also kind of a thing which some guys don't know about. Simply move into the security app here, go to manage apps option. Here you'll find the system launcher option like this. You'll see the uninstall updates option, click on OK, and now you're reverted back to the default launcher which you got in your device. So that's very easy to install and uninstall. So as you can see, we installed that alpha update which didn't work for us. So now we're gonna install those stable update. As you can see, system launcher stable APK. Let me install it. Now it will be installed because we already reverted back to the normal default one, and as you can see, installing, it's done. So after that, as you can see, it's done. Let me just go back to home screen and let me show you some new changes. And here it is. First of all, default Meet app drawer change here. Here's a search bar option available, which was available previously also, but this search bar is now more optimized. Terms and conditions, here we have this app drawer. Here we have the home screen settings options, or you can say option. New feature, as you can see, we just saw this is a search for apps. This is now more advanced and more enhanced. It can search for the inbuilt things in apps. So this is a very interesting thing and very kind of a great kind of update for this launcher. Let me show you some other things. As you can see, home screen settings, which I just shown you at the starting of the video. This is now kind of a shortcut. Here we have almost same kind of things available like the blur app previews and show memory, home screen layout. These are the same kind of things, but app drawer has some changes. As you can see, icon size is also looking good here, but this is kind of the same like the previous one. But if you go for the home screen, let me show you by going into here, app drawer. And here it is. We have some new options which I just shown you at the starting of this video. Place new apps on the home screen, we already know. Their background, etc., we already know about that. And we have the in-app query mode, is a very interesting thing. Directly find contents within the app. You need to agree with the terms and conditions. And now at last we have the open search after opening app drawer. What is this? Let me just enable it once and let me show you. So just open up your swipe drawer. It will just open up this search bar directly after opening the app drawer if you enable that option. So this is not looking great, but it's working fine. And this is the advanced search which I was showing you. Telegram, I searched TE and it's just shown Microsoft and else other kind of suggestions also. This is great here. So just move into here. I just don't want to use the open search, but it's great. This is a great update which you can go and give it a try if you want to. This is all link for all of these things in the description as always. So thanks for watching and don't forget to like and share this video. Goodbye. Have a nice day as always.